Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into Pengu Coin, a rising cryptocurrency that has been gaining attention in the market. We'll discuss its current price, market trends, and future price prediction. Let's get started. Right now, Pengu Coin is trading at around $0.0069, with a 24-hour trading volume of over $1 million. Despite being a relatively new cryptocurrency, it has shown steady growth in trading volume, which is a strong indicator of increasing investor interest. Looking at market capitalization, Pengu Coin is currently ranked among the top 1,000 cryptocurrencies, with a total market cap of over $422 million. This growing market cap suggests that more investors are starting to recognize its potential. Now, let's talk about future price predictions based on our analysis and industry trends. Heavy checkmark short-term prediction * expected price range between $0.0004 to $0.0020, which could mean a 100% to 300% increase from the current price. Heavy checkmark midterm prediction * expected price range between $0.0005 to $0.0040, with potential 300% to 900% growth. Heavy checkmark long-term prediction * expected price range between $0.0024 to $0.0030, with possible gains of 900% to 1,000%. Of course, the crypto market is highly volatile and prices can change rapidly. While Pengu Coin shows strong growth potential, it's always important to stay informed, do your research, and consider the risks before investing. That's it for today's Pengu Coin price prediction. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.